Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. Well, we have the summer ahead of us with barbecues, we have Father's Day coming, and I was at Aldi's the other day, and what did I find? A new item, and they only had a couple left, and I'm like, oh no, I should have bought them because they would be perfect for a family barbecue. So I went back the next day and I bought two. So let me present to you a new item from Aldi. And look at this! It's a box of meat. That's right. And when I looked at it, it was in the frozen department. I couldn't believe what was in the box, and I couldn't find the price. And then I saw it was $59.99, but I think it's well worth what you're getting in here. So I bought two boxes, and this should be more than enough. Trust me, more than enough for our family barbecue on Father's Day. So let me tell you what comes in this box, and then I'm going to show it to you, okay? But you know Aldi's, they come and go quickly in there, and if you don't have that really big of a family, just buy one. But I would get over there quickly before they're gone. So what does this come with? Well, apparently it says on the front that this is almost 7.5 pounds of meat in here. Sounds pretty good. And I'll put a still in of the box so you can see it. So let me put it over here. Now, according to this, you're going to get two choice boneless ribeye steaks. Now, if you're in the food store, you know how expensive steak is. I haven't been buying very much of it because you pick it up and you're like, oh my God, it's $30 for a little piece of steak, and I put it back down. So let me show you. It comes freeze-dried, individually packaged, and here is the boneless ribeye steaks. And they're a nice size. They're pretty thick. Right now they're cloudy because I just took them out of the freezer. But you're going to get two of these. Put it over on the side here. Now you're also going to get two choice boneless beef New York strip steaks. So here's these. So already you have 4 steaks here. Move this over. Now you're going to get, oh, these I've had before and I love these. 2 choice bacon wrapped beef top. 2 bacon wrapped beef top sirloin steaks. They often have these in Aldi's sold just like this, and I bought them. We do them on the grill, with that bacon wrapped around them. They're delicious. So look it, we already have 6 steaks here. Okay, next you're gonna get 8 beef burgers. And they're all wrapped separately. So there's 4, you get 2 packages, and there's 4 in each package. So you're getting 8 hamburgers in here, which is pretty good. And let me see what else. You're getting 2 boneless pork chops. And my goodness, look at the thickness of these. I mean, my goodness, you can cut these in half and make 4 out of them because they're really thick. And last but not least, you're getting 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So look at this box of meat. You have beef ribeye steaks, you have USDA, they're all USDA, choice boneless strip steaks. You have your bacon wrapped beef top sirloins. You have your 8 burgers, your 2 boneless pork chops, and you have those hamburgers. So like I said, I bought 2 of these. I probably am not even going to need them all because this is going to give me 16 hamburgers. We're not going to go through 16 hamburgers, but it'll give me, let me see, 2, 4, 6. It'll give me 8, 16. So it'll give me 2, 4, 6, 12 steaks and the chicken breasts and those pork chops. And I thought it was a great idea. And while I was looking at the box, there was a couple of other people gathering around. They wanted to see what I had. It says on here, all these steaks are USDA choice. And yeah, it's called the Grill Master Collection. And you keep it frozen, inspected and passed by the Department of Agriculture. And I just wanted to give you a look at this. I said, whoa, 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 I can't wait till we get these on the grill for Father's Day. So anyway, if you are interested, and I've had plenty of Aldi's meats. I think they're very good. In fact, one of my favorites are the Aldi's pork chops. They're always delicious. So anyway, brand new item at Aldi's. Run over there and get it before it's gone. And if you want to see my new videos coming up, hit that subscribe and the little bell. And that's all there is to it. You'll get a notification the next time I have a video up. So thank you all for watching. I love you all. I wouldn't have a channel without you. I will see you very soon. Get over there and get your Grill Master Collection meat from Aldi's. Toodles!